Assalamualaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our English class. Let's start it. Trace and match. Today our question is trace and match. We have to trace the fruit's name and then we have to match the fruit's name to their pictures. Which name is this? Apple. We have to trace the apple. A double P L E, apple. And which fruit is this? Grapes. G R A P E S, grapes. Watermelon. W A T E R, water. M E L O N, watermelon. Orange. O R A N G E. Now we have to match the spellings to their pictures. Apple. So we have to match the spelling of apple with their picture. Grapes. We have to match the grapes with their picture. Now what is this? Watermelon. We have to match the watermelon to their picture. Now what is this?